What up, what up? It's your boy T-Bird here with a new reaction. So, I came across this video. Oh man, it's called Working with Jigsaw. I got a feeling it's gonna be pretty funny though, because it's all, man. Like, what? Come on, let's think about it. Jigsaw, working with Jigsaw. This is gonna be very interesting. Oh, you have another one called Living with Jigsaw too. I see. I might check that out another time too. Same person, Chris Capel. So I'm saying, yeah, Chris Capel. You guys something new subscriber. I'll definitely check more from you out. But let's see, check out Working with Cell. This was how long ago? This came out October. I think it was either Dwayne Jazz or I think Dwayne Jazz reacting to this. I ain't watched their reaction, but I'm gonna check it out. So, Working with Jigsaw.
So, what's it like working with Jigsaw? Not as cool as we thought it would be.
May I ask you what your bill is now? Yes, I can see what I can do to lower that number. I want to make you happy. Yes, I would be happy to crunch those numbers. Just a moment, I'm very sorry. What?
I want to play a game.
Well, I want to go home on time, so...
Your computer has been infected with a pornographic virus.
Oh shit!
5 seconds, Jeff, the hot IT guy who you told me of a crush on, will arrive at your desk to fix it. You must close all 517 pop-ups using the office's deadliest computer mouse. Make your choice. His birthday of koala urine. One for each year of his pathetic and meaningless life.
Yo, we go ahead with that cake. Oh shit.
The elevator, please, 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 the elevator.
Not the.
Just hold it.
Not the bike.
Hold it, just hold it. Just one more. Don't be rude, guys. The door's closed.
Oh shit.
Okay, one sec, just one sec. You're all very polite. I just need to get, there we go.
Oh shit.
You ready to get
Got
that?
it, Steve.
Gosh, dude.
Part of the job, but we've been monitoring office productivity, and as you can see from this research, when your games increase, general productivity throughout the office actually decreases.
It'd be different if your games had some sort of work-related theme, like team building or workplace synergy.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Look, all we're asking is that you just, tone it down a little, just till corporate gets off our back, okay? What do you think?
All of your legs have been chained together at the ankles. The keys to your shackles
See, that's the kind of thing I'm talking
The
about.
keys, Jeff, to your shackles have been destroyed. Your only hope for escape is to saw off your own feet using the weapon under your chair. It's gonna be tough. But it's time for each of you to make a choice. Will you synergize and work together as a team, Karen, to free yourselves and spend the weekend at home with your families, or be stuck inside the office for the 3rd time this quarter?
Oh shit. I'm wondering.
Not as cool as I thought it would be.
I'm wondering what the hell. Poor Stan was hilarious. That poor Stan was too much right there. That did me in. That was what coming the most though. The damn cake one too. Dude was money. Oh, yeah, like my channel. That shit.
happen soon.